Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the OWC 128GB DDR4 ECC load reduced DMM, a memory upgrade specifically designed for workstations and servers. Now, right off the bat, it's crucial to understand that this isn't your everyday RAM for a standard desktop. This is ECC load reduced memory, a specialized type built for demanding environments where data integrity is paramount. This particular module is a 128GB stick running at a speed of 3,200 MHz, PC4-25600, with a CL22 latency. It's a 4RX4 configuration, operating at 1.2V and adheres to the 288-pin DMM standard. What does all that mean? It means it's built for serious workloads, error correction, and keeping your server stable under pressure. OWC has designed this module as a replacement for several Micron part numbers, including MTA72ASS16G72LZ3G2, MTA72ASS16G72LZ3G2F1, and MTA72ASS16G72LZ3G2B3. Samsung M386 AG40AM3, CWE M386 AG40BM3, CWE, and Hynix Mabagal 7 ABR4N, XNE5, Mabagal 7 CBR4N, XNE5. So, if you're looking to upgrade a system that currently uses any of those, this OWC module is a strong contender. The key benefit of ECC, error-correcting code, memory is its ability to detect and correct single-bit errors that can occur during operation. In a server environment, where even small data corruption can have significant consequences, this is a huge advantage. Load-reduced DIMMs, or LRDIMMs, further enhance performance by reducing the electrical load on the memory bus, allowing for higher densities and improved overall system stability, especially when you're populating multiple memory slots. OWC emphasizes that this memory is 100% JEDEC standard and ROSE compliant. This means it adheres to industry-wide standards for quality and environmental safety. They also state it's a warranty-safe upgrade, implying that using this memory shouldn't void your server's warranty, but it's always best to double-check your specific manufacturer's policy. The big selling point here is maximizing your server's potential. If you're running an older server that's starting to show its age, upgrading the memory is often the most cost-effective way to extend its lifespan and improve performance. Similarly, if you're building a new server, choosing high-quality ECC load reduced memory like this OWC module can save you money in the long run by ensuring stability and preventing data corruption issues. OWC also offers an industry-leading advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, including free tech support. This is a significant advantage, as it provides peace of mind knowing that you're covered if any issues arise. Server memory can be a significant investment, so having that level of support is invaluable. Before you click that buy button, there are a few crucial things to keep in mind. First and foremost, compatibility. This memory is specifically for workstations and servers that support ECC load reduced DIMMs. It will not work in standard desktop computers. Secondly, and this is equally important, you cannot mix this type of memory with unbuffered or ECC register memory. Mixing memory types can lead to system instability and prevent your server from booting. Always consult your server's manual or the manufacturer's website to confirm compatibility before purchasing any memory upgrade. In conclusion, the OWC 128GB DDR4 3200cc load reduced DMM is a solid choice for upgrading or building a server that demands high capacity, stability, and data integrity. The ECC functionality, combined with the load-reduced design, makes it well-suited for demanding workloads. Just be absolutely certain that it's compatible with your system before you buy. The warranty and support from OWC are also excellent selling points. If you're in the market for server memory, this is definitely one to consider.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.